Everybody stay seated a minute. We're over here at this gorgeous sim called Chateau Bay at York Harbor, where the owners are beautiful Cindy Marie and her husband Dar. And I want y'all just to take a look at this wonderful lighthouse tour bus. We have been having a delightful time. We came over from Freedom Gospel Church today, and they have this lovely church over there that we're getting ready to walk over to. I want y'all to make sure to add this to your list to come and visit, because we are having a wonderful time. You see Pastor Balla up here in the bus, and Dar and Cindy Marie, and there's little Angel wearing her hat, and little Amber. And I'm sure Cindy Marie and Dar would love to have you come right over to this sim and have an amazing time. It is beautifully designed, and you all know I rarely say that unless it's true. So come on by. We're looking forward to seeing you right here at Chateau Bay. Have a great day. All right. It's Pastor C and Pastor V. All right. God bless.